Notes of cherry, vanilla, oak, pecan, definitely pecan. It's good color. You know, by looking at this, you might think that this is a well-aged, well-made whiskey. But you'd be wrong. It's actually lighter fluid. Hey guys, welcome to the homestead. So the other day I decided I had some friends coming over and I decided I was going to make some barbecue, and so we were going to do some chicken wings on the grill. And I got my Royal Oak Natural Lump Hardwood charcoal that I use whenever I'm on my Weber, and I decided to go ahead and grab some lighter fluid. I grabbed a different lighter fluid that I had not used before. Normally I just was getting the kind of stuff that you buy at the store, the old Kingsford stuff made of petroleum products. But this time I saw this one and it said all natural clean fuel. Well, first time using it, I put it on my charcoal and I was like, what's that smell? That smells good. What is that? And I couldn't tell where it was coming from. Then I finally sniffed the can and I'm like, that smells like whiskey. And not just whiskey, but pretty good whiskey. I mean, moonshine out where we're at, but still whiskey nonetheless. And I was like, that smells great. And I could not believe, when I lit the fire, it even smelled better. And the food began to take on the aromas that was in the lighter fluid. Guys, I'm sold on this stuff. And this is not a paid advertisement. Kingsford. Royal Oak is not paying me anything to talk about their products. There is a factory nearby, and so I know there's some people in my area who work for a factory that makes the charcoal. But and so I kind of try to support local businesses, even though I think these guys are based out of Georgia. But there is a factory nearby, and so that's why I decided to go ahead and buy this. Plus, it said all natural clean fuel. I am absolutely impressed. So this is the lighter fluid, and you can look at it. It looks like a whiskey, a oak aged whiskey, and it's got amazing notes to it. You can definitely smell the sugar. You can smell the oak. You can smell the vanilla. You can smell pecan. There's a definite pecan note in there, but it's got a little bit more of a harsh smell that goes along with it. It's kind of like, and that's got to be the flammability of this product. But I'm assuming, because the bottle doesn't tell you what it's made from, it just says feedstock, natural feedstock. And so that can mean a lot of things. It could mean corn, it could mean sorghum, it could mean anything basically you would make whiskeys out of. Any type of grain that you would make whiskey, corn grain for whiskey. But it's definitely been given coloring, and it's been added other flavors and notes to it, to add to the aroma of the lighter fluid. It definitely doesn't smell like lighter fluid. Complete different from this stuff. Completely different. But I was very impressed. And again, when I cooked with it, the food took on the flavor of it. So I want to go ahead and just compare. One of these is an actual whiskey, and the other one is the lighter fluid. I think I can tell the two apart, but it's close. What I've got here is a Jim Beam. It's the apple whiskey bourbon, okay? And then the Royal Oak. This is the Royal Oak. This is the Jim Beam. Apple flavored bourbon. Smells delicious. Smells equally delicious. However, it's got that harshness of whatever they've added in here to make it flammable. And I'm assuming, again, this is both are distilled products. This has been distilled out of feedstock, and this has been distilled out of whatever corn that they've made the whiskey out of from Jim Beam. But again, you can't tell. There's a little bit of difference. There's a difference for sure. But to cook with this, oh man. I'm sold on the product. But can I drink it? I'm not going to drink it. I don't know what's in it. I looked online. I was looking for any type of information on their website. Their website doesn't offer a lot of information, but doesn't give there's no real indications online that I can find that shows actually how it's made, what's in it, what's the ingredient list. So would I recommend drinking this? No. But It sure does smell good. And for cooking with it for your food, like for on a grill, total winner. This, I know I can drink. And I can imagine what this might taste like, but I'm not going to drink it. Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like this video, hit the thumbs up button, and tell your friends about it. Share it on social media. We really appreciate it. And go ahead and leave a comment below if you have used the Royal Oak all-natural clean fuel. Tell me what you think about it. Would you continue cooking with it? Are you a Kingsford man? I'll tell you what, this is what I'll be cooking with from now on. All right, guys, see you next time on The Homestead.